In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email from Gmail into your Google Drive as a PDF file. This is a fantastic way to ensure you have a backup of important emails easily accessible and secure in your cloud storage. Let's dive into the process, shall we? First, start by launching the Chrome browser on your computer and navigating to Gmail. It's usually most convenient to do this on a desktop or laptop for a smoother experience. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, find the email that you want to save. It's important to ensure you open the correct email, as that specific message is what you'll be saving as a PDF. With your email open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your email interface. You'll see a set of 3 vertical dots. This icon represents more options for the email you're viewing. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, providing several actions